Mastering Polynomial Division, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning and occasionally explore topics that help you in various academic areas. Today, we're tackling a concept from mathematics that often pops up in high school and college courses: polynomial division. Whether you're a student, a lifelong learner, or just curious, understanding this topic can really boost your confidence in math. So, let's break it down together. Before we dive into division, let's quickly review what a polynomial is. A polynomial is a mathematical expression made up of variables, like x or y, coefficients, which are numbers, and exponents. They can have one or multiple terms. For example, x2 plus 3x plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 by 2 plus 3x plus 2 is a polynomial with three terms. Polynomial division is a process similar to long division that you might have learned with numbers. However, instead of dividing numbers, we're dividing polynomials. This method helps us simplify complex polynomial expressions or solve polynomial equations. There are two main types: long division and synthetic division. Long division is used for dividing any polynomials, while synthetic division is a shortcut that works when dividing by polynomials of the form x minus cx, cx minus c. Long division involves dividing a polynomial, the dividend, by another polynomial, the divisor. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Arrange both polynomials in descending order of their degrees, powers of x. 2. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, and write the result above the division bar. 3. Multiply the divisor by this result and write it under the dividend. 4. Subtract this from the dividend to find the remainder. 5. Repeat the process with the remainder until the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Synthetic division is a quicker method but is limited in use. Here's how it works. 1. Write down the coefficients of the dividend and the value of CCC from the divisor x minus cx, cx minus c. 2. Bring down the first coefficient to the bottom row. 3. Multiply CCC by the value just brought down, place the result under the next coefficient, and add them together. 4. Repeat this process for all coefficients. 5. The final row gives the coefficients of the quotient, and the last number is the remainder. And that's a wrap on polynomial division. We've covered the basics of what polynomials are, and how to divide them using both long division and synthetic division. Remember, like any skill, mastering polynomial division takes practice, so don't be discouraged by initial challenges. I hope this video makes your journey with mathematics a bit easier and more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.